We thought it would be very appropriate to fly on this full moon, Friday the 13th, 5 drones that fly themselves.
Why not 13 drones that fly themselves?
If I had more money, I'd get 13. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Check it out, there's Popeye.
Popeye! He's ready to go. He's ready to go.
He's not swabbing the poop decks today. That's Amelia's job. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we are going to fly in our living room for you because this is plan B to fly these 5 Helifar drones. Now, we've fallen in love with these. Individually, they are a blast. This does come with a controller. They're fully functioning and very easy to fly. But what makes them kind of amazing is that you can literally toss them in the air when they're powered on and they fly themselves, and then as they're hovering, you use your hands to just kind of control them around. It's really neat and very affordable. We'll have them linked in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. But in this video, we're going to launch 5 of them at the same time and see how they interact with each other, if they interact with each other, and just watch the chaos ensue. We thought it'd be very appropriate for some spooky Halloween looking drones that fly themselves. They've got a mind of their own on this full moon Friday the 13th. I think the next time this is going to happen is like 2040, something like that.
I don't know.
It's going to be a while, so it's kind of cool, and we thought this would be an appropriate video. Happy Friday the 13th. Let's have some fun.
Popeye, are you going to be able to handle 5 drones at once?
Oh my goodness.
Are you going to be okay?
He's going to go crazy. He's going to wake up the baby.
Shout out to David Chenzoff, who helps us with the giving tree every year, who bought these for us and gave them to us. Actually, he bought them for other people and then decided to give them.
Yeah.
It's so awesome.
We've never done anything like this before. I'm pretty excited. This should be fun. Abby?
Watch your face.
Okay, here we go.
They collided a little.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh, I hope the camera's doing it justice.
I don't know where to point.
2 of them are
2
gone.
of them are down there.
Oh
my gosh.
Keep it going, keep it going. Oh man.
2. There's 3. Where's the other 2?
They're right there in the corner.
1 just died. 2 just died.
They don't like the corner.
Oh, that one did it.
Okay. Alright, let's launch them again.
We have 1 more that's still going. It's over here. Come here, drone. Come here. Oh, it's so close to me. Come on. It's too high up. Come on. We have a baby gate here. It's running from you. Oh, nice. Let's do that again. That was fun. I'm keeping my hair pulled up for safety reasons.
It's a good idea.
We did a video on these back in the winter time, so if you want to see like how they work and all that, go watch that video. But they do come with transmitters, as we said, but this is the best way to fly them.
Yeah.
And getting more than 1 apparently is the best way to fly them.
Oh man. Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
It's done. Oh, it's moving. It's still going.
Oh no. We're only down to 2.
I watched these very well. You did way better than me.
You've only got 1 in the air.
We call this the pillow flop.
I want to do like a twist.
Oh, pillow twist. I'm sorry. I like it's expanded everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at our dirty kitchen. I'm not gonna film in there. Where are you? Oh no, did we lose them? Hopefully the one in the messy kitchen is alive.
We gotta find these.
Oh no. The pillow twist did not work very well. We can't find one. Don't know where it is. We have 4 though, that's good. All right, we call this one the elementary school parachute. Ready?
2, 1, go.
Ready, Popeye? You gotta run in.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Put it back a little farther. Get a better shot. Let's see if she got. Oh man, they all hit the ceiling. Oh my gosh. Did you just bat one out of the sky? Isn't this so cool? Show them how, yeah, you can use your hands to control them.
Did we lose one? Oh yeah, bye-bye. No, bye-bye. Wait,
Awesome. Yeah, the other one's in here somewhere. I hear it.
There we go, there we go.
It's oh, it's stuck in the blinds. There we go. Whoa, whoa, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. They just have a mind of their own. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, these are so much fun. So easy to control. You just grab them and tip them. Oh, this one's stuck in the corner. Oh no. So easy to fly. The smartest and like cheapest drone ever. What do you guys think?
Ever wonder what your parents did after you went to bed?
Oh man, guys, this is so much fun. If you want to pick up some of these drones for yourself, they make amazing gifts. They're so easy to fly. They'll be linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.